What up? Alright, what is up? We have reports that Crypto.com could be next. I got the FTX rundown, everything you need to know. Also, FTX was hacked. I even got the flight logs from Sam Bankman-Fried himself that he possibly could be on the run. That's a little bit more speculative, but I got that for you too. And we got Bitcoin technical analysis. Even though fundamentals are driving the chart, we can still kind of see what's going on, but I don't focus on that too much in the video because of all the fundamentals and craziness we have happening. But I'm going to give you the rundown on FTX, Crypto.com, and more. All right, we're here at the charts and we're looking at Bitcoin BTC. I'm also going to be talking about Crypto.com, explaining how that possibly could be sketchy, and then I'll be briefly covering FTX. I'm sure you guys have all seen this video, FTX Explained, in 60 seconds. So I'm going to be playing that video. And then also we have SBF's possible flight log and that he did hack FTX and possibly could be on the run to South America. And we do have that flight log. But let's go ahead and get the video. So basically what we're looking at for Bitcoin BTC is I'm not going to be focusing too much on technical analysis because we don't really know what's going to happen because these fundamentals are going to drive the chart. So we did have the FTX crash and now we are consolidating in this possible bear flag or bottoming formation. It's hard to tell right now. But these tend to break hard one way or the other. So these Bollinger Bands here will get tight, and I expect that to happen around Monday or Tuesday to have a break to the downside or the upside. I will be covering more technical analysis soon. We are getting the EMAs pushed down, so we'll be able to cross above them more easily and become bullish, but that will not be for a while as things continue to crash in the crypto market. So experts are saying that Crypto.com has sketchy inflows and outflows. The way that the money is circulating, it looks very suspicious, and that's why the blockchain is so good. You guys need to get your keys off of exchanges, by the way, but the blockchain is so good because you can see everything and track everything, so it adds transparency. But get your money off exchanges. I've been saying that forever. Not your keys, not your coins. If you have money on exchanges, even Binance, Crypto.com, any of them, Coinbase, get your money off of exchanges. I do not want to create bank runs, but you guys need to not have your money there. Put them in hot or cold wallets, preferably cold. But if you can't get a hot wallet, preferably I would say Exodus, but that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, even Binance, dude, even Binance. I expect BTC to have to be around 10,000 for Binance to experience pressure, but even Binance, I would not be holding my money on exchanges, especially right now with all of this stuff going on. But yeah, so the inflows and outflows for Crypto.com are very, very sketchy. So guys, you guys need to be aware of this. Loans, accidents, and the potential for potential lawsuits. So potential lawsuits on the head are looking ahead for Crypto.com. And basically people are calling them out saying they need to come clean, which is what started the FTX bank run in the first place, which is basically what I'm going to be explaining next. So now I'm going to let you guys understand FTX and give you guys the rundown. I'm just going to play this video for you guys because it gives a very good brief explanation of FTX and what happened.
This is Sam Bankman-Fried. People call him SBF. He's the founder of FTX. He also controlled a crypto hedge fund called Alameda Research, but that's all gone now. He wants you to think he's this sweet guy. He even brought in a famous YouTuber who called him the most generous man in the world. Yep, that happened. Truth is, Sam Bankman-Fried is a liar and a crook. His personal crypto, FTX token, was basically a Ponzi scheme hidden below layers of Moonbro jargon. He even went on Bloomberg's podcast and bragged about it. Yep, that happened. He used his Ponzi token as collateral to borrow billions of real dollars that he couldn't pay back. He then used those real dollars to build an empire out of dying companies like Voyager and BlockFi. This led Jim Cramer to call him the new JP Morgan. That's weird. It's not like Jim Cramer to promote a billionaire con artist. SBF sold people cryptos like Bitcoin, or so they thought. What they really bought from SBF was an IOU. But as long as everyone didn't cash in their IOU at the same time, the scheme worked. Until it didn't. This other a-hole who hates SBF came along and engineered a bank run with some passive-aggressive tweets. It worked. SBF didn't have enough money to repay everyone at once, and now his customers have lost everything. He'll be happy to know that this is exactly how every bank in the world operates. So where did all the money go? He misappropriated $4 billion trying to save his failing hedge fund. Whoops, that's a felony. He spent $21 million on Super Bowl commercials, $5 million for the big guy, $40 million in campaign donations. I wonder what he wanted in return. And everyone who's pointing at this story and saying,
"This is exactly why we need to regulate crypto."
Remember that SBF stole billions. That's already a crime. And he spent a lot of it on bribing politicians. Also a crime, in order to create a crypto monopoly for himself. Government regulations don't protect the customers. They protect the crooks. That's exactly what SBF was trying to do.
So very, very informative video on what happened with FTX and basically explaining it and how this could actually happen to Crypto.com. So you guys can see if they do not hold the reserves, a bank run could happen very easily, especially if they're loaning their money out and offering these high rates of returns on their loans and on your deposits. So you guys have to understand, like I said, not your keys, not your coins. This is the update for Crypto.com, FTX, and all the debacles in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency world. I do not expect a breakout of the price action today. I expect that to definitely happen Monday. It could happen today, but this is what I'll be looking at, and I'll be posting that on my channel. So if you guys want to see updates for that or stocks as well, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I cover cryptocurrency stocks and things of that nature. I also cover cybersecurity, but I mostly cover that on my Discord. Links in the description because YouTube doesn't let me post that on here. But that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. Again, Crypto.com could be in peril. We have more chaos with FTX. Also, it's been hacked. That didn't really wasn't really covered on this video. That explained it in 60 seconds. But he might even be on a plane to South Africa or in South Africa. On South America as we speak. So things are getting absolutely crazy. I will be covering all of it and posting about it all. So that was the video. As always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. All right, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you find cybersecurity, crypto, or stocks interesting, go ahead and subscribe. Check out my Discord, links down in the description and in the comments. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.